Back to the hair. So now that I have let the dry shampoo settle in place, I take the long barrel curling iron from Stylecraft. This is a 1-inch curling iron. I love, love, love this curling iron. You can purchase this from Stylecraft. If you use the code XOLEAH, LEAH 20, you get 20% off. It's an amazing curling iron. It works really well if you have extra long hair too. It kind of helps take down the curl time, I find, as well as, you know, having the heat on your hair for a long time, because you have to kind of maybe do 1 or 2 passes. So easy. And as you can see, I go really fast. Super easy. So anyway, I go through, I section off, I curl the whole entire hair. I kind of do like 2 sections. I find it easier to split my hair in half and do the bottom portion and then the top portion. I curl, keeping the curls tight. I do not take them and brush them out until the very end. You'll see, we'll get to the end here. And then what I'll do is just fluff them out using my fingers. Sometimes I use the wet brush, but a lot of times I just use my hands, and I kind of go through and re-fluff the hair.